Hey everyone, if your Notion content isn't updating or changes aren't appearing, don't worry, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Notion relies on cloud syncing, so if your connection is weak or unstable, updates may not appear correctly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. A quick reload often forces Notion to sync and display the latest content. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, updates may be saved to a different one, which can cause content not to appear. After that, clear your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can block updates and prevent content from showing properly. Also check if Notion servers are having issues. Sometimes delays or outages prevent updates from syncing until the server is back online. Finally, make sure your Notion app is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes that resolve syncing and content update problems. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Notion when your content isn't updating and get everything syncing smoothly again. Hey everyone.